Managing the baby and the channel. Oh boy, I do not have enough time in a day. I am really sorry if I have not been responding to your comments and mails. I really wish I had extra hands. Come whatever, I really love you guys for your love and support. Thank you so much. I feel so blessed.
Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi.
For those of you who are new to this channel is all about Northeastern food, culture and everything nice. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'm so excited. I got parcels all the way from Nagaland and I got these precious ingredients that are not available here. Thank you so much, Kaka. This means so much. So I just have the right kind of recipe that I can do with two of the ingredients from the parcel, Perilla seeds and Axone. So we are going to make pork with Perilla seeds, and I got this recipe from an amazing Northeastern food, travel and culture blog called Roots and Leisure. You should totally check out their website. I have given the link in my video description box. Okay, so coming back to the dish, the ingredients required are about 500 grams of pork, smoked ones are better, 1 large tomato, 10 to 15 green chilies, half or 1 slab of Axone, Perilla seeds about 40 milligrams roasted and pounded, and of course the Sichuan pepper about 15 pieces, and salt to taste. So to cook this dish, heat up a thick bottom pot and add all the ingredients together except for the Perilla seeds. Add just enough to water to cover the meat, slow cook in a medium flame. You can even use a pressure cooker like I did if you want it to be done quicker. If you're not using the pressure cooker, make sure that you keep adding water in small quantity until the meat is tender. Add the pounded Perilla seeds once the meat is half done. There you go, well done. Enjoy your creation with hot steaming rice. Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa, and if you're new to my channel, this channel is all about Northeastern food, culture and everything nice. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care and stay safe.